I don't know how to make coffee.
Okay.
This is what happens to me. The day I told them I couldn't make coffee, they just started to laugh. As I mentioned, I didn't know how to make a cup of the liquid. You need to know how to make the perfect cup of coffee to avoid this. It was painful, the mockery of the cackling. Then I learned how to make a good cup from many days and much experience. Days went by, but finally now I know how to make the perfect cup. Think of it this way. If they do not like the delicious substance, you can just spill it on their shirt. Oops. Besides, most everyone likes coffee. First thing you need to know is pour portions. If they like a weak cup of coffee, you'll want 2 tablespoons of grounds and 8 ounces of warm water. If they like it the average way, you'll want 3 to 3.5 cups. Tablespoons of grounds and, 8 ounces of water. Anyway, if they like it strong, you'll need 4 or more tablespoons of grounds to 8 cups of water. Pretty simple. Once you have this, put it in the French press. Then take your strainer and let it sit for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, take the strainer and push down on the lid. That will get all the grounds out. And if you want it nice and hot, put it in and then warm it up for 2 minutes. Then you'll have the perfect black coffee. And if you add sugar and creamer if wanted, and enjoy.